cool things that you can go check out, not just a part of the racing. Every ticket is a pit pass, so go on over and check out everything that has to offer here at the racetrack, our competitive threads, and our fuel store as well too. Our the swap meet, car show, and competitive threads concession stand as well too. Go check all that out. That is available. So again, New Hemi Challenge, New Hemi Challenge. You should be in the lanes now. New Hemi Challenge. You'll be coming up next. New Hemi Challenge. We need you. The lanes, please. New Hemi Challenge. We'd like you to the lanes, please. Green, but all in all, Dave Howard gets to the finish line first. Ed does not break out. Hey, here are two regulars here at Vandermeer Speedway: Chris Conley and Jeff Sipes. 572.68 Plymouth GTX, a four-time track champion here at Vandermeer Speedway, and Chris Conley, who won the New Hemi Challenge last year here at Vandermeer Speedway with the 2018 Dodge Challenger. Now racing here in Promo Bar. Round number one of competition. Sipes got to get staged. There we go. Chris Connolly, engineer. Jeff Sipes, marketing guy. Marketing guy gets around. Down there. Going up against it. Easy Baker powered by 440.
It's an old school Dodge, Cuda. What do you think, folks? The green car gonna get there first? The purpose for spinning tires like that is to get them extra warm. So all that start-line prep making things sticky and then super warm tires, that goes together to make a very quick safety play. A little bit of a convenience. Joy's Concession has a special soup made up for everybody tonight. So stop by and grab something to eat, grab yourself a souvenir, kick around on this side for a while, and then go back and relax in bed that doesn't need to be made, sitting at the tailgate party.